Hey guys, this is Adrian Apodaca from Real RC Reviews, and this will be a short, sweet video about these new Spektrum DSMX antennaless, bind plugless receivers. The awesome folks at Spektrum Horizon Hobby were kind enough to share a few of them with us. They hooked me up with a couple 4-channel and one 6-channel. And they are what I've been using in my last couple reviews. They so far are awesome, are super easy to use. Let me take this sucker out so you can see how small it is. I don't have big hands, obviously, and these are pretty small. Your plugs, it's a nice solid feel to it. Some of the previous generation receivers just kind of felt flimsy. These do not, and instead of a bind plug, you have that button that you hold down to get it into bind mode, and then of course with your transmitter you set that up for binding, and it is quick and easy. But yeah, these cost no more than the previous generation of receivers did. So I think this 4-channel is maybe 30 bucks. The 6-channel, I think it's on sale right now for 40, but I think regular price there 49. Check their site just to make sure, but just wanted to let you, if you haven't heard of them or you haven't seen them, I just wanted to let you guys know that they are out and available at your local hobby shop and on horizonhobby.com. You'll definitely want to, from here on out, start using these. Just so clean. You don't have to worry about antennas going this way or that way, or satellites or whatever kind of crap. One of the guys at Horizon told me that, I forget what the mileage he said he got on one of these, but I think he was flying out past a mile, well past a mile. So I am really liking using them, and I have some of my old planes are still DSM2, so I think I'm going to take advantage and start swapping a few of the older receivers out for these DSMX antennaless receivers. But once again, big thank you to Horizon Hobby and Spektrum, and I strongly suggest you guys go out and make your next builds include these suckers. So take care and see you next time.